The City of Wolverhampton Council, Dudley Council, Sandwell Council, Walsall Council and West Midlands Police are applying to the High Court for an interim injunction to ban street racing in the region. The application will be heard by the Honourable Mrs Justice Hill at the Royal Courts of Justice, Strand, London, WC2 2LL on Tuesday the 20th of December 2022 at 10:30am. You are invited to submit comments and observations regarding street racing and the application for an interim injunction by emailing litigation@wolverhampton.gov.uk. Comments received may be presented as evidence to the High Court. For the purposes of the interim injunction, street racing, also known as car cruising, is defined as the acts of drivers of cars, motorbikes or quad bikes meeting to race or show off in their vehicles. If granted, the interim injunction would forbid people from participating between the hours of 3pm and 7am in a gathering of two or more persons within the Black Country area, at which some of those present engage in motor racing or motor stunts or other dangerous or obstructive driving. Forbid people from participating between the hours of 3pm and 7am in a gathering of two or more persons within the Black Country area, with the intention or expectation that some of those present will engage in motor racing or motor stunts or other dangerous or obstructive driving. Forbid people from promoting, organising or publicising by any means whatsoever any gathering between the hours of 3pm and 7am of two or more persons within the Black Country area, with the intention or expectation that some of those present will engage in motor racing or motor stunts or other dangerous or obstructive driving. For the purposes of the interim injunction, stunts are defined as driving manoeuvres often undertaken at such gatherings, including, but not limited to, burnouts, causing a vehicle to destroy its tyres by applying power to the drive wheels while braking so as to remain in place while the wheels revolve at speed, donuts or donutting, that's causing a vehicle to rotate around a fixed point, normally the front axle, while not moving off, causing noise, smoke and tyre marks to be created. Drifting, that's turning by placing the vehicle in a skid so that most sideways motion is due to the skid, not any significant steering input. Undertaking, that's passing a vehicle on its near side so as to overtake in circumstances not permitted by the Highway Code. Full details of the application, including evidence, the draft interim injunction and other supporting documentation, including a map showing the Black Country area, can be found at www.wolverhampton.gov.uk/street-racing-injunction. Anyone who wishes to participate in the substantive proceedings for application, injunction and power of arrest, which will take place in the new year on a date to be decided by the court, must file at court and send to the claimant, that's the City of Wolverhampton Council, a document known as an acknowledgement of service by 4pm on the 20th of January 2023. The acknowledgement of service, Part 8, claim form, can be found on the Court Services website.